For me, the perfect dinner party isn't about the food or the drinks, although those certainly help. It's about creating an experience that makes people feel fully taken care of, an approach I also take with my clients. My name is Claudia Rosa, and I'm a global real estate advisor with Sotheby's International Realty. My background in luxury marketing and client services allows me to understand, anticipate, and meet the needs of my clients no matter the request. In my opinion, a real estate professional needs to be a great listener as well as a creative problem solver. They need to be able to figure out exactly what their clients want and then go out and make it a reality. Aligning with a powerhouse brand like Sotheby's International Realty enables me to tap into a global network of industry leaders, cutting-edge technology, and luxury platforms to provide the highest level of service for my clients. So if you're ready to achieve your real estate goals, I would love to work with you.